Hello everyone. Paragraph writing in coming unit tests will be asked for 12 marks. There would be three paragraphs that you need to write. Obviously, there are some optional questions also wherein you would be writing the options also, but three paragraphs means all three types you need to prepare. The type number one is technical paragraph, type number two descriptive paragraph, and type number three narrative paragraph. First of all, let us understand what is meant by paragraph. Paragraph is the one unit of one idea or thought which is explained. It may be of 10 lines or maybe 15 lines, but just is just one chunk of thought, one idea, one sub thought which is explained in paragraph. So for this, after understanding what is meant by paragraph, we all know that words make sentence and sentences make paragraph. But in one paragraph, all these sentences are connected to each other, and the connecting force is one idea or one thought. For example, if I have to talk about something about paragraph, so I will write everything related to paragraph in one paragraph. If I want to write something about importance of English within one paragraph, I will link each and every sentence of that particular paragraph about one topic, that is importance of English. So what you need to do in paragraph writing and why an engineer should know paragraph writing, that we will see in detail. सो इंजीनियर्स ने ये पैराग्राफ राइटिंग क्यों सीखना चाहिए? एनी गेसेस? कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करो कि क्या सर हम लोगों को मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर में सॉफ्टवेयर हार्डवेयर सीखना चाहिए, केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग सीखनी चाहिए, पैराग्राफ राइटिंग क्या आ गया यार? पैराग्राफ राइटिंग इसलिए आ गया क्योंकि इंजीनियर्स बिना कुछ लिखे नहीं रह सकते. यू हैव टू राइट समथिंग. If you want your subordinates, your team members, your boss, your superior to know about any concept which is newly launched, because technology is always changing. So if any concept that comes out and if you know it, you have to write about that particular technology, maybe in one paragraph or maybe whole chapter. So you should know how to write it, isn't it? And obviously the writing language should be English. Besides, you should also understand whatever is written, because there would be so many things that you would read and you would present and you would understand. And that's why paragraph writing is very much important, because the skill of paragraph writing is such that within limited space, within limited sentences, if you can explain what you want to say, the readers will respect you and they will perform their duties as per your guidance and knowledge and training that you have provided. Within one paragraph, if everything is crystal clear, nicely presented, the idea is clear to everyone. And that is why paragraph writing is a skill. So paragraph writing from your point of view is very important. So how to write this paragraph writing and how to score maximum marks in paragraph writing? Number one, you have to begin in such a manner that within first line or first sentence itself, the reader should understand that this paragraph is worth reading. तुम्ही ज्या पॅराग्राफ लिहिण्याची सुरुवात कराल, पहिल्या वाक्यातच रीडरला समजलं पाहिजे की मला हा पॅराग्राफ वाचलाच पाहिजे, हा खूप महत्त्वाचा वाटतोय. So that's why first line, first beginning sentence or introduction of your paragraph should be such that the reader should be compelled or forced to read the complete paragraph. That is your skill. आणि म्हणूनच आपल्याला ते शिकायचं आहे. So how will you write? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पॅराग्राफ म्हणजे काय? सेंटेन्सेस असतात, एका कॉन्सेप्टबद्दल तुम्हाला लिहायचं असतं आणि त्या कॉन्सेप्टबद्दल एकाच पॅराग्राफमध्ये लिहिलेली जेवढीही वाक्य असतात ती एकमेकांशी इंटरलिंक्ड असतात, ती रँडम किंवा हॅपसार्ड नसतात. किंबहुना तुम्हाला अशा प्रकारे पॅराग्राफ लिहायचा आहे की त्या पॅराग्राफमध्ये एखादं सेंटेन्स काढलं तर तो पॅराग्राफ इनकम्प्लीट होईल आणि एखाद्याने ॲडिशनली एखादं वाक्य टाकलं तर तो पॅराग्राफमध्ये ते एक्स्ट्राचं होईल, त्याची गरज पडणार नाही, असं ते वाक्य होईल. रिडंडंट म्हणतो आपण त्याला, असं होईल. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे. लक्षात येत आहे? सो टाईप्स ऑफ पॅराग्राफ दॅट यू नीड टू राईट. पहिला आहे डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह. डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह म्हणजे काय? यू हॅव टू डिस्क्राईब द सीन ॲज इट इज. Describe a sunrise, describe a sunset, describe anything that you have seen or watched, any picture. डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह पॅराग्राफ हा असा असतो की तुमच्या शब्दांनी चित्र तयार होतं. लेट अस बिगिन अँड क्रिएट द वर्ड पिक्चर. मी एक तुम्हाला डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह पॅराग्राफ सांगतो. आणि तुमच्या समोर ते चित्र तयार होते का मला सांगायचं कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये प्रत्येकाने. आणि कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करत असताना सांगायचं की तुम्ही कोणत्या कॉलेजचे विद्यार्थी आहात, गव्हर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक ठाण्याचे आहात की ऑल ओव्हर महाराष्ट्र कुठल्याही कॉलेजेसचे. Descriptive paragraph begins. One day I was eating vada pav at a very famous stall of Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. I was eating half of the vada pav. I was enjoying the taste, the aroma everywhere, the frying vadas and all. Everything was very nice. Half of my vada pav was eaten, and suddenly a beggar comes over there. The beggar has not taken bath since months. He is completely stinking. His long hair, long beard, long mustache, everything was such that the hairs were completely entangled. They were all curly. He has not taken bath since months. The long hair, the long beard, as if the hairs are going into his mouth. I couldn't even see when he spoke. Saliva was trickling down his mouth. His clothes were completely torn and dirty, and they were so dirty that as if all the clothes were black. His skin was also completely tanned and completely black. Nails were very long and dirty. And this beggar comes to me and says, "मुझे भी वड़ा पाव दीजिए." बेगर का चित्र आया, सामने आया. अगर बेगर का चित्र सामने आया तो मेरा डिस्क्रिप्टिव पैराग्राफ सही था. और सभी सेंटेन्सेस, सर्व वाक्य फक्त आणि फक्त बेगरबद्दल होते. आणि सुरुवात अशी केली की क्युरियासिटी रेज झाली की हां काय, वडापावचं दुकान, टेस्टी वडापाव, अर्धा वडापाव खाल्ला, खूप एन्जॉय, वडापावचा सुगंध येतो आहे, फ्राईंग होतं आहे, आणि मध्येच बेगर येतं. सो यू बिगिन इन सच अ मॅनर दॅट द रीडर शुड फील कंपेल्ड टू रीड फर्दर. हा झाला डिस्क्रिप्टिव्ह पॅराग्राफ. दुसरा आहे नरेटिव्ह पॅराग्राफ. नरेटिव्ह पॅराग्राफ मीन्स इट्स अ स्टोरी टेलिंग. इट्स अ स्टोरी टेलिंग. तुम्ही स्टोरी अशी सांगायची की सगळे खेळून बसले पाहिजे तुमच्या स्टोरीला. एव्हरी लिस्नर ऑर एव्हरी रीडर शुड बी ग्लूड टू युअर स्टोरी. And the story will be of only one paragraph. The narration or the narrative paragraph will be of one paragraph. So begin in such a manner that the reader feels curious to read further. Develop it so that the curiosity of the reader will be raised further, and then completely end it with the or to the satisfaction of the reader. खूप क्युरियासिटी रेज होईल रीडरची, असा नरेटिव्ह पॅराग्राफची सुरुवात करायची, आणि तीच क्युरियासिटी मेंटेन राहील असा तो डेव्हलप करायचा, आणि शेवटी ती क्युरियासिटी सॅटिस्फाय करायची, जस्टिफाय करायचं त्याला. म्हणजे अधुरी कहाणी सोडायची नाही विदिन वन पॅराग्राफ. आणि कहाणी काही काही मोठे मोठे नॉवेल्स असतात तरी ते पूर्ण नाही होत, मग पार्ट 1 येतो, पार्ट 2 येतो. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे आपण हे बघितलेली आहे स्टोरी आपल्या बाहुबलीची. सो within one paragraph, hardly 10 to 15 lines, you have to narrate a scene. It may be your first trip, it may be your college first day, it may be your good experience with good interesting lecture that you might have heard or listened or attended, or it might be a good function, or it might be your um close visit to any celebrity, any renowned person, anything may be asked, and you have to narrate that event, how you felt, what happened, and how you felt, how you responded. Sometimes okay, I'll give you a live example of my life. On last Sunday, just listen, if I can retain your attention, mention that. मी आता जी स्टोरी सांगणार आहे किंवा जे नरेटिव्ह पॅराग्राफ तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे, जर तुमचं अटेन्शन रिटेन झालं तर कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट करायचं की यस सर. आणि मी सांगतोय म्हणून नाही, इफ यू रिअली फेल्ट गुड आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू दिस स्टोरी, then mark in comment box की yes sir, the story was really good. कमेंट करत असताना तुम्ही कोणत्या कॉलेजच्या आहात ते मेन्शन करणं विसरू नका. स्टोरी गोज लाईक दिस. लास्ट संडे I was going on my morning walk. In front of the huge building of Kharghar, Navi Mumbai, there were so many dustbins, and there I could see hardly 13 to 14 years of old boy. He was searching in the dustbin the plastics, some wrappers, or maybe some cardboards, or any plastic things, toys and all. and he was searching it, and his dad was sitting on the tricycle. The boy was searching in the dustbin which is stinking out there, but I could see the boy smiling and having a satisfaction on his face. Then I realized that the boy was happy because he could get some plastic toys, then some plastic wrappers plus cardboards, and out of that dustbin, that stinking dustbin, he was very happy after getting plastic and cardboards, and he was picking that plastic and putting it on tricycle trolley, and his dad was arranging it all. I felt this boy who is simply searching for the dustbin which is stinking like anything, but still he is happy after getting some plastic and cardboards. And there I am standing, a gazetted officer having his own tensions, and in that tension he is walking. There I felt jealous of both the father as well as the son. Now, why I felt jealous of that father? Because at the age of 13 to 14 years, his son was ready to work for the daily bread and butter. He is searching for the dustbin. Whereas at home, my son is still preparing for his 10th standard. And he is not having that kind of sense which the boy has. And that's why, as a father, I felt jealous. And as a son, also, I felt really jealous. It is because, like that son, I am also in the position to look after my father, to take care of my father, to do all the things, to earn his mine daily bread and butter. But though I am in the position to earn, I have lost him in 2018. The story ends. So this is what the story is, and in this way you have to make an attempt to make sure that the reader is glued to what you write. That is your narrative paragraph. Third one, technical paragraph. From engineering point of view, technical paragraph is very important. It is because there would be new technology, new machines, new tools, new equipments. You will come to know about it, and you will come to know about it by the brochures, their processes, their functions, their operating instructions, their safety instructions, their manuals. So all these things you have to prepare and you have to go through, and that's why technical paragraph is very important from the point of view of engineers. So how to write a technical paragraph? They will ask you write a technical paragraph on maybe Android TV, maybe mobile phone, maybe iPhone, maybe ceiling fan, maybe a table fan, maybe iron, maybe lathe machine, maybe welding machine, grinder, tong, gloves, goggles, any equipment. So how to write it? कुछ टेक्निक बताता हूँ. These 3-4 points should be there in the paragraph, technical paragraph. लिख लो लगे तो. Number 1, if they ask you any technical tool or any machine, like maybe they have asked you write a technical paragraph on computer. So as soon as you get this, write the definition in first 2-3 lines. Then write about the different parts that are there in the computer or anything that is given to you. Write about the operating system, like operating process. Write about safety instructions, operating instructions. Write about its functions, write about its usage. So all these things you have to mention in that technical paragraph. And once you mention all these points, obviously one compact paragraph, technical paragraph will be created. But while writing technical paragraph, remember, don't repeat anything. Write everything in proper sequence. It may be operating instructions, it may be safety instructions, because if you skip one instruction, obviously there would be malfunction and the machine may be damaged, or the user may be at risk, and that's why you have to write with caution. You should not write anything redundant or extra in technical paragraphs. Writing is very important from engineering point of view. So in coming examination, maybe the unit test on 25th, you will be getting 3 paragraphs, all 3 descriptive, technical and narrative. So prepare all of them with these guidelines and score 12 on 12. Similarly, in board examination also, you will be getting 8 marks out of the 70 in paragraph writing. So save this video, keep it downloaded so that 24/7 you can use it without losing your data. I wish you good luck. Thank you.